In the enchanting realm of beauty and glamour, where elegance meets innovation, behold the Glamflex Lashcraft, reusable self-adhesive eyelashes that transcend the ordinary, a symphony of design ingenuity and effortless allure, and an indispensable upgrade to your beauty routine. These aren't just lashes, they're a design marvel, an eye-enhancing wonder, and a practical solution to achieving captivating eyes without the fuss. Glamflex is your effortless elegance enhancer, turning every gaze into a note in the harmonious melody of timeless beauty. Let's delve into the design, for Glamflex Lashcraft isn't just a set of lashes, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its reusable and self-adhesive design is not just any beauty accessory, it's a commitment to providing a glamorous, user-friendly solution for your eyelash needs. These aren't just lashes, they're an intelligently designed solution that seamlessly integrates into your beauty routine, becoming a visual delight. They're not just eyelashes, they're a practical upgrade to the concept of easy elegance. But what truly sets Glamflex Lashcraft apart is its commitment to simplicity. These reusable self-adhesive eyelashes don't just enhance your eyes, they do so much more. Equipped with a secure yet gentle adhesive, high-quality synthetic fibers, and a design that fits seamlessly along your lash line, Glamflex becomes a companion in your quest for effortless allure. Whether you're heading to a special event, a night out, or just want to elevate your everyday look, Glamflex Lashcraft is the elegance enhancer of your beauty symphony, offering sophistication in every flutter. They're not just eyelashes, they're a symphony of easy elegance. Versatility is Glamflex's virtue. They don't just confine themselves to one occasion, they adapt to your diverse beauty needs. The reusable design ensures that you have an all-in-one solution for various looks, whether you prefer a natural flutter or a bold, dramatic gaze. Glamflex Lashcraft is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of eyelash enhancement. They're not just lashes, they're an avant-garde solution to your beauty versatility. Application is a breeze with Glamflex Lashcraft. No need for messy glue or intricate setups. The self-adhesive design ensures easy application and removal, and the secure fit makes the process seamless, making Glamflex Lashcraft a reliable beauty companion for your daily and special occasion needs.